Welcome, everyone, to another exciting episode of Tech Titans Podcast, the show where we delve deep into the latest trends and innovations shaping the digital landscape. Today, we have a special guest with us, Charlotte, a renowned expert in AI-driven customer engagement strategies. Welcome, Charlotte.
Certainly, Matt. AI technologies, such as chatbots, machine learning, and predictive analytics, enable businesses to understand their customers better than ever before. They can provide personalized experiences, anticipate needs, and engage in meaningful interactions, which are essential in today's digital age.
Absolutely. So, Charlotte, AI-powered customer engagement is revolutionizing the way businesses interact with their customers. Can you tell our listeners why this trend is gaining so much momentum?
Of course, take Amazon, for instance. Through AI algorithms, Amazon provides personalized product recommendations to its customers, creating a tailored shopping experience. Similarly, companies like Zendesk and Salesforce are integrating AI into their customer service platforms, enabling faster and more accurate responses to customer queries. These are just a few examples of how AI is transforming customer engagement across various industries.
That's impressive. Can you share some real-life examples of companies effectively using AI to enhance customer engagement?
Implementing AI in customer engagement does come with challenges, such as data privacy concerns and the need for skilled professionals to manage these technologies. Ethically, companies need to be transparent about their use of AI, ensuring they don't compromise customer trust. It's crucial to strike a balance between providing personalized experiences and respecting customer privacy.
It's incredible to see how AI is making a difference. What challenges do businesses face when implementing AI in customer engagement? And are there any ethical considerations they need to keep in mind?
Absolutely, Matt. The future of AI-powered customer engagement looks promising. We can expect even more advanced chatbots, enhanced natural language processing capabilities, and increased integration of AI invoice interactions. As these technologies continue to evolve, businesses will have unparalleled opportunities to connect with their customers on a deeper level, driving customer loyalty and satisfaction to new heights.
Very important points, Charlotte. Now, as we wrap up, what do you think the future holds for AI-powered customer engagement? Any exciting developments on the horizon?
Absolutely, Matt. The future of AI-powered customer engagement looks promising. We can expect even more advanced chatbots, enhanced natural language processing capabilities, and increased integration of AI invoice interactions. As these technologies continue to evolve, businesses will have unparalleled opportunities to connect with their customers on a deeper level, driving customer loyalty and satisfaction to new heights.
That's incredibly exciting. Charlotte, thank you for sharing your expertise with us today. And thank you to our listeners for tuning into this enlightening episode. Remember, folks, customer engagement is at the heart of every successful business, and AI is the key to unlocking its full potential.
Thank you, everyone. Take care and keep innovating.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and review us on your favorite podcast platform. Stay tuned for more fascinating discussions on the latest trends in the digital world. Until next time, this is Matt signing off. Thanks for listening.